Hi, I'm Cathy O'Shia with New Age Industrial. I'd like to tell you about our bagging cart. This cart was originally created for a K-12 food service director that was bagging lunches and takeaway meals for the evening and snacks for the kids. And originally they had the food laid out, the entrees, the fruit, the milk laid out on their cafeteria tables, and were taking a small cart around and loading it as they went. They needed something much more efficient because they had lots and lots of meals. They were, at that time during COVID, were doing meals at night, so they needed something more efficient. So they came to us and asked us to create a cart for them. So this is what we created. We used our pot holders on the shelving. We set it up. They have these clear plastic shopping bags. They also had regular shopping bags, so they were able to load the bags. Then they could place the fruit, the entrees, whatever it was as they went, load it up, and it made it much quicker, much easier for them and allowed them to create more bags at one time. The great thing is we added options such as the handle on the side. We also added the bulk grocery bag holder on the side, which makes it again quicker and more efficient for them. The great thing about this, like all of our carts, it's primary aluminum, it'll never rust or corrode. So they could use it anywhere they needed to. If they wanted to roll these into the cooler to store them for some reason, they could do that as well. Again, it's very flexible. It can be adjusted, modified to create a cart that fits your specific needs. With that in mind, this is now repurposed as an order pickup station. So for your restaurateur that doesn't have shelving or a place for this can easily be set up as an order pickup station. The bags are all labeled. It's easy, and it can be stored away because it's mobile, out of the way if they're not using it all day long. If you'd like to customize this bagging cart, you can email us at sales@newageindustrial.com, visit our website, newageindustrial.com, or check out our how-to or product videos on our YouTube channel.